Lobsters are famous all over the world and a favorite among seafood lovers. But it was not always the case. You see, when the European settlers first reached North America, they came across lobsters for the first time. What were their initial thoughts? Lobsters are just cockroaches of the sea. So the story goes that lobsters would just keep piling up on the shore. Soon the settlers discovered that lobsters may not look appealing but are super rich in protein. Hence they used to feed lobster meat to peasants and prisoners. That is how lobsters garnered the reputation of being a poor man's meal. Gradually, as canned foods and railway transportation was introduced in America, the lobsters were now being canned and sent through the country in trains. This caused the word about lobsters to spread throughout America. As people started getting to know more, the demand for fresh lobsters instead of canned ones increased. By the Second World War, fresh lobsters were being considered a delicacy. Prices for these fresh lobsters were skyrocketing and helped in generating good revenue. As the prices kept increasing, what was once considered a nuisance now has become the food of the elite. This is how lobsters became gourmet, elite, and a fancy dish. What a journey these lobsters have had, isn't it? Let us know in the comments about your views and which type of lobster you really like. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.